In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a drop cap in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Layout tab or the Layout Studio, and then of course you want to have some of your text selected like this. Then you want to go inside the Paragraph tool over here. If you don't have this window, go to Window up top, hover over Text, and then make sure Paragraph is enabled over here and has a check mark. If it doesn't, click on it and it's going to appear over here on the right hand side, or maybe even as a box over here on your screen. It doesn't matter, it's the same thing. So go to Paragraph, and here spacing is going to be first. You can close this away, and down here it's going to say drop caps. So just click on that to extend it, click on Enable, and it's going to enable it. Just make sure you have your layer selected. I didn't here, so you have to select your text layer, click on Enable, and there we go. I've successfully done a drop cap on my text. Of course, you can also set the height in lines. So here I can go for different heights, as you can see, which is basically the size of this first letter over here. I could also set the amount of characters. This is up to you. You could do auto, or of course you could do multiple in case that's something you want to achieve. Of course you can do that too. And then you have distance to text. You can also change that, and a bunch of different settings as well. So that's how to make it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.